Welcome to Yoruba Kingdom TV, built by passion.
Hello. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Depends wherever you join in this program today. My name never change. My name be everybody know about Baro Nami the Yang for studio this evening. The time now where I day is 9:30 p.m. in Washington State here. But wherever you there, whenever you come into this program, make una see that, make una find something put for, make una see that, make una put something for the side, because today program is gonna be so mwah. My brother and sisters, like I tell una say, this topic, it has something to do with these old people with them day for Nigeria there. And now today, I dey go straight to one of our father, because I dey respect elders so much. But there are some things wey some elders dey do when we suppose to tell them the truth. Because if we dey keep quiet like this, na so we still go dey see all this problem. See, my own papa before he die, na so this promise, so promise. And this papa wey I wan play in video now, e come dey tell us say this country na this, na that, na this, na that. And e come talk am, e talk something say 23rd of February, this country, Nigeria, e no go dey again. E might no be dey again. Wetin make am talk am? Wetin he see wey he come dey talk this kind thing? Na today dem see am? So it depends on your own opinion. Me, I no dey attack anybody o. But the thing wey I wan talk be say, this is 21st centuries. Sir, this is 21st centuries. Make I play the video, make una dey hear. Please, your own opinion, make we leave am to the comment section. I go check am. But some people wey dem wan leave comment, make dem think with their sense. No be say you go dey abuse agbalagba. No be abuse. Na to correct, reproach, and make thing happen. That is wetin we wan do be that. No be say na make una dey abuse. No. I no dey allow abuse on this channel at all. I dey beg una. So this time now, wetin come dey first me gangan wey make me I come this time, una go hear. Make we okay, Baba, join the program. Talk to us.
Supporting will be is based on constitutional. And this is a case of deciding whether there's going to be a Nigeria after February 23rd. If you read my interview or my statement, why we are supporting Obi is based on constitutional and logical reasons, not on any sentiment. On the basis of how we came together as Nigeria and why we are in this country together today. It is not a question of yesterday's program. And it's a pity that many agitators of talking of Nigeria today, they can't have my passion. My colleagues are gone. I don't know why God has spared my life till now. You don't know how we came together. The colonialists didn't colonize us as Nigeria. They colonized us as Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, Ijaw, and others.
Abeg, make una lis ten to that phrase. Na that phrase gangan na im come trigger me say make I come. Now, the first question wey I wan ask my papa, Pa Adebajo, respect, The first question we I want to ask you say, you be 90 something years of age now. And according to the history, I know say the common history, they call common, they take history common for the syllabus of the schools we did for Nigeria. Waiting una dey look, because I know Papa you be lawyer. So waiting una come dey look, sir. Waiting una dey look when they common history. But thank God for the life of the people wey they come keep all these things, they keep them for us. 1999 amalgamation, now the Baba come dey reverse to say the colonial masters they colonize Nigeria, not because say Nigeria they exist before. Nigeria they colonize us as a Yoruba. Me I be Yoruba guy. They colonize Igbo. Now they colonize Hausa, nothing like Fulani Hausa before. Now, the question now be say, wetin una dey look, you be 90 something. Shey no be selfish interest na it cause am, sir. Wey everything come kasala don dey burst, because this thing no start today. Una know say we were not colonized as Nigeria. Now we colonized by Yoruba, by Igbo, by tribes. Now, so na like 4 nations now they come bring together into this wahala. Make we dey lis ten dey go. Make we dey lis ten. My own analysis now I dey talk. So you will come put your own talk for the comment section.
But Lord God brought us together in 1914, thinking that being united it will be greater. And we bought it. But the British government made the mistake to be ruling us under a unitary form of government. And I want you, your generation in particular, because all the struggle I'm making, not for me, it is for you people. If we must live in peace together, we must live in peace together, all that the same understanding, not one section dominating the other. That is the basis of this election. That is the basis of our son. That's the basis.
This is where I did disagree with our elders. The present now, these people where they dominate Nigeria, then be the minority. And the history make us to understand that these people, they no get 1 inch of land in that country called Nigeria. So the thing when people when they look, now I don't understand. You're not supposed to explain to the new generation. You're not supposed to explain. How come where these people can't dominate now? How come? Lord God bring una together. But he give una what they give una is a constitution. Not be the same guys where they colonize, not be the same period they colonize India. Not be the same time. There is something where they call minds are ojukokoro. All these people they know, all these guys they know na weakness. Say if you don't see money, small money, you go sell on your now. So that is the problem. Where we there now, Baba. So you but I they hail Baba Parayo Adebajo because there is a lot of them out there where they know they talk. And this Baba they talk them all the time. Say, if he die, there is a lot of inmates where they don't die. So if he can't die now, nothing go remain. You see, the culture say then they fight because of us, because of one point generation. But like me now, no because of me that they fight, because my papa he died inside this wahala. My grandpapa, my grandmother, he died inside this kasala where they here, where they die. What about my forefathers? So what kind of rubbish is that? And Baba Parayo Adebajo, he be 90 something, maybe 94. So and they talk, I'm always saying that in a degrees they carry. Now, but the problem where I want to ask Baba, this stage where I want to talk. The question where I want to ask Baba, they talk, they go, yes, keep on.
So when they were ruling us under a unity form of government, under the McPherson Constitution. I've repeated it. There was trouble. And when they said they are giving us self-government in the 50s, and we moved the motion that we want self-government now. The North said they are not ready because they are not as advanced as the South.
Okay.
And colonial office then under the colonial secretary military brought us to London after the crisis in the House of Assembly. When the motion for self-government was supported by the East and the West.
Okay.
Dr. Zikwe led by leading NCSC and Ondo did this, but Saudana said no. The passage of that motion led to Saudana walking out on the people saying, no, Nigeria, Araba. This is on record. But Saudana persuaded him, and I'm saying it for often time. Some of our people are now accusing Ondo of why don't you allow them to go at that time?
Me, this thing with Baba talk. Baba, this thing where you talk, me, self, I dey accuse Baba. I dey accuse her. If Baba feel wake up from the grave, I go tell him, say, Baba, why? Because when person they do kasala say, I don't want be with una. Una come carry and come. Why una they carry and come? Why una no put in hand for paper? But I hear say, na Igbo dem, na transigate the plan where they for ground where everything come bust. Now, that is what the history said. But if to say una no do selfish interest, this wahala no go be like this. But to talk am so that all this, because this is 21st centuries, this phone now, no be say it go be like a television station. No, anything where you want to do, anything where it dey for social media. So this one, our children go meet am for ground say, you, Papa, you are our leaders. You are the one that put us into this dilemma. I go to talk am. So, but the thing be say, I still dey thank Baba Adebajo because if they talk am, because they don't know their mistake. Why other those Abalagba no join this Baba again? Make them they talk am. But the thing be say, I have a question. No, Baba Adebajo, I have a question. They talk, they go, but I won't ask you what question. They talk.
But I don't could see the beauty in the unity of the country. He convinced Saudana and said, look, you don't need to go because you are not that advanced. There is a system of government by which can live together where every region, every ethnic group can develop at its own space. That was what brought in the question of federalism when they get to Lancaster House. And Saudana bought it. And we stated there under this condition that we are going to live together. But because it was not ready in 1956, the East and the West got their self-government in 1956. And they got their own in 1959. And after getting their self-government in 1959, the colonial was granted independence in 1960. These are facts that which I witnessed. I didn't read it in the story. So, when the crisis was on, and she found out warned them that we are different national, we are not the same nation. The Yoruba nation, Igbo nation, outside nation, Fulani, Ijo, and others. And that the only thing that can bring us together in peace. Mind you, Tokwe, in peace. Because the non can say they have the power, they have the imaginary population, they don't agree. In peace is to get us autonomy for each region under the federation. That was how we.
Now, this thing wey Baba just talk, they don dey drag am for how many years now? Baba na 90 something. No, Baba, how many years may they drag this thing? And these people, there is this one of these presidential candidates, what did they call him? No be Shetima in the name. The vice presidential candidate for what be name? Jagaban. He said restructuring. He did for him foot. It's on record. That guy said restructuring my foot, and Jagaban go carry and go use am as the vice president. Olórí àwọn apààyàn. What kind of rubbish is this? Baba, all this one wey we dey talk. Me, I want to ask question. If Obi Datti win the election wey we dey support, if to say na Jagaban win this election, okay, maybe Atiku na come win. How una go control the House of Assembly and Representative? Wetin una dey look wey all these people dem dey create their own local government with their senators, House of Rep come plenty more than una. How una go come do am? Even Southeast and South, if dem vote, Southwest, if dem vote together, una no go fit win these people, una no go get 2/3. How una go come down? How una go come control this 99 constitution? The country don bafuka. See wetin dey happen now. Baba, make una no dey fight it. Baba, this fight una dey fight. I dey hear you now, but this thing no go work.
We agree on the federal system, and where we put in federal character, the functions of each region was distributed, and was under that system that if I would not perform the wonders in 1950s, free education in the Western region, the governor Okpara in the East, fantastic agricultural government. Southern, all the governors of the North growing up. And we are living in peace. And the revenue allocation was decided on derivation, which is so that with the Niger Delta now talking of we call now resource control. We have fought for it in 1954 and was included in the Constitution. And we are going on. Now, all those things that were divided and give us peace were on. And we agree that the federal government, which cannot be divided, will be shared on equal terms. That was what brought in federal character. It was under that constitution that premiership was created. Ondo became the premier. Go into issue, unfortunately, they have cancelled issue in our system. Many of you can't read this. What I'm telling you now, you ought to have read in the school.
So, the question when I did ask earlier, when you want watch this video, when you want more, go ahead. The question be say, wetin una dey look for East and West? Wetin una dey look? This council, this council, this council, this council, this council. It is all just because of una self-centered. See when this man dey there, this man wey dey for Obasanjo, he's supposed to correct everything because he dey run for third time. See Jonathan, Junker, because he dey pursue second time, he no finish the thing wey he supposed to finish. This wahala wey dey for Nigeria now, if we don't wahala if we don't settle, like us now wey we dey agitate say we no dey do again. This marriage e don become wahala. Why e become wahala be say one region say, come o, we want school. One say no, lie, we no share school. Another one say come o, I don tire for this marriage, I no dey do again. Another one say lie, no be na water resources, water control, everything. E just scatter. And marriage wey e no dey work, if una dey force am dey work, ikú ló máa ń gbẹ̀yìn ẹ̀ o. And see people wey dem dey you wan cause fighting, you wan cause war for Nigeria, you wey dey for abroad. See, wetin dey on ground now, e don pass war. Ebi pa ni ó jogun lọ. Hunger e dey kill more than war. Money, hospital, road, healthcare, electricity, food, security, infrastructure, human care, good governance, nothing. It is glaring. And this land, the way we dey talk, resources e dey for every nook and cranny of this land. The problem be say the system no go work. One say he wan naked go party, another one say he wan put short knicker go party. One say he wan put cap go party, another one say for him own na black na him wan wear for party, another one say na white he wan wear for party. How the party go come sweet go? Una dey do tipa dey bring this wedding together by force. Another one go kill other. Papa Adebajo, una dey try o, but this one no go work.
But the military changed this constitution in 1966. Mark it. That is the beginning of our war. That is the beginning of our problem. That is why those of you who grew after 1966 who were born then, or many of you are toddlers at the time we had independence, cannot appreciate my passion. Well, and it is because we believe on living peace. That's why we say all this must be done according to the Constitution. The Constitution that we agree with, we are living in peace. Until 1966, when the military came in, was what brought this problem.
Hold on, sir. So, wetin be happen be say, sir, make I ask you. Before military come, una too do too much. This civilian them, we read them in the small history where we find now. Yeah, too much. Self-centered too much. The way they operate that country self una wahala. That's why military come now. Una no put themselves together. This one will fight this one, the other one they fight this one, that one will fight this one. You know, because the system no go work. Different culture, different skin, different eyeball, different food, different language, different lifestyle, different upbringing, and on and on and on and on and on. Now, wahala be that. We are not the same. Now they force us together.
And after 1998, 1999, when the British now said they ought to go back to the barracks, we say, well, look, brought in this constitution and imposed it on us. Said that when you are going back to the barracks, go back with your baggage. Bring us the constitution that which we came together. If you are not prepared to give us that, we have to sit down again and agree on the type of constitution under which we are going to live together. That was why the agitation then was sovereign national conference. When Obasanjo was in power, and Obasanjo said no, there can be no true sovereignty. And I explained to him then, as I'm explaining now, you can now understand. The sovereignty we are talking of is, we don't want a constitution that any government will dictate. Let all the ethnic nationalities come together. Let us agree on a constitution as we had in 2014. The constitution we agreed there will be the guiding principle that will bring us together.
Very, very well said, sir.
No more, no less.
Do you harbor those same fears that there might be some backdoor plans being hatched in order to unseat what is currently happening, and that there would be an interim government or even just confusion after the elections, maybe with an inconclusive winner? What is your thought on this scenario playing out?
Thank you very much for that question. I know there's no time under such an interview to give you all the background. It is part of the rumor that is going on now. That when they know now that they don't expect Peter Obi to galvanize as much sorrow as we are gathering now. They have underrated Peter Obi. He has no structure. He has no that. But the way it is going, then they are feeling some. And again, the APC themselves, they are not agreed on the Jagaban. They are just deceiving him. I've said that before. He's just seeing it now. Now that they are now trying to create some confusion in many ways. One, the Northerners don't want to leave the government. That is the denial in many of you, including all those who are in the peace committee.
Keke jam pan one chapper. That one no concern me. Yes, sir. Keke jam railway. That one no concern me. Waiting be I know say that country no go work. Prior Adebajo. I'm telling you. Because these people then get good, they get everything where you want to talk. Even they don't discover gas and the gas in their place now. You know, do them. You know, do them. That's why they write on their place they are born to rule. Born to rule. We were being colonized. I be Yoruba. I'm not be Niger. I'm not be Nigeria. I be Yoruba. Why are we deceiving ourselves? Well, let me say kudos to you, Baba Adebajo. You they speak with your age. What about the older Bonu Ayirada when they did there? Sid Kani fire the what be new? That's major guy. A lot of them like that. We are not even young their neighbors. All the Yorubas will then do summit for Ibadan that time. When are they? Jekuje. That is how these people with they no get 1 inch of land. Foreigners can't take over. If they don't see money, don't change it on. Baba, It is too late to cry when the head is off. I don't believe in that one, Nigeria.
They don't want to accept the fact that the northerner doesn't want to leave government. If not, why are they sponsoring another? They don't want Jagaban because they know it's not qualified. I said that. On the basis of this rotation, the Southwest has had its own share. That is my grievance against Jagaban, besides other factors. The Yoruba don't cheat people. We have agreed that when it is in the north, the south comes in. And when they are beginning this new 19...
Well, Akitori Awujare ki itoko ton lenu. No be say make I talk me by saliva can't dry. So I don't send this message, my brothers and sisters. I dey bring another story where I did disagree. You will disagree with me in the comment section. But no be say make you abuse anybody. You understand? Because Baba Adebajo is a father, and is a father to someone like you. So please be respectful in your comments, so I don't come kick you out like Ronaldo. Boom, I could kick you like a ball. Another thing we say, make una send this message to someone out there. We don't know our youth. May God touch their hearts. Say, make them know history. Say, we know be the same. Another thing we say, like this video. Not only offering where you will give me with that. I don't ask you for money. See the pastor where them they do when they collect money. That one, the algorithm, it go give for the grace, make it reach another people. Now like, you never like I'm at the watch you for television, my brother. Sister, thank you for that, sister. God bless you. And you know what you go my see. Another thing we say, if you never subscribe to this channel, I beg subscribe. I love you all. I dey come again. My name never change. Baba Aropo. Make una dey enjoy.